Hey, welcome and thanks for watching. I'm the Crypto Coach Blockchain Wayne with a quick tutorial video on how to do a cross-chain swap with the NWC token. Now, there's many implications of what this means for NWC and the future of NWC. Can reach more users, can be used in DeFi protocols, can be used on decentralized exchanges. So there's a whole host of things you can do, which is why you would want to be able to swap from multiple chains. So the NWC token at initial launch was on the Stellar blockchain. And so with the token swap ability, you can swap it to an ERC20 token, which is on the Ethereum blockchain, which will allow you to integrate anywhere ERC20 tokens can be used. And also on the Binance Smart Chain, which is anywhere, anything that utilizes Binance Smart Chain tokens, you better utilize it there. So it's a one-for-one swap. You send it in to the contract address, and then it will swap and deposit the cross-chain tokens into your wallet. So it's a one-for-one swap back and forth. You're not creating new tokens. You're just basically swapping what you have onto a different chain. So let's take a look at a demo here. Now you'll notice a few things on the screen. We'll say testnet. This is the exact user interface, how it's going to look, but we are operating within a testnet mode. That way we can show you how it operates right now. So from the main NewsCrypto page, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down right to where it says cross-chain. Tells you a little bit about it, and it says import wallet and swap. So it's as simple as that. You click on that and it'll bring up this screen here. Receiving address is what you want to receive out of it. So in this demo, I'm going to send Stellar tokens and exchange it for NWC tokens that are on the Ethereum blockchain or ERC20. So I'm going to need to put in my Ethereum address for that. And for this demo purpose, we recommend using MetaMask wallet. As you can see, I'm going to pull up here. MetaMask is a web-based browser wallet that allows you to incorporate with websites. So MetaMask is already set up here. So I created a MetaMask. If you need to set up MetaMask, you just go to metamask.io and download. They have the downloads and everything you need to set up a wallet there. Don't forget to protect and save your seed phrases from there. So all you have to do is hover over the account and it will give you the ETH address to deposit things. So no matter what ERC20 token you're depositing, you just copy the same address. So I copy it and I come here and I will paste it here. So I paste it here and I want to go from the Stellar blockchain to the ERC20. So let's say for this demo, this is just going to be a demo. I want to do 100 tokens. I'll click continue and it's just going to confirm. I just verify that my address matches. You can do that. I usually like to look at the first few and the last few letters to make sure it copied correctly. So when I go back to MetaMask, you can see the first few are right, last few are right. So we are good to go, going from Stellar to ERC20, and I want to send 100. So I hit continue and it's going to take me to the site. Now where it says test deposit address right now, that's where you're going to see the Stellar address that I need to send those Stellar tokens to. So I will then hit this copy here, and then I go to my wallet. So whatever wallet you're using, in this case, I'm using a Solar wallet. So I will go to my Solar wallet, and I will open it up, and I will click send, and I'm going to want to send the NWC tokens. Now this has a T at the end, that's because those are test tokens. And I'll put the 100 I want to send. And when I have that Stellar address, what I would do is I'm going to paste that here. Now right now it just says test deposit address. When I hit send, it's going to automatically send it to that protocol and then deposit immediately. You will get a deposit of the Ethereum-based tokens. I've done this transfer already. As you can see here, we've got 100 NWCT tokens that are in this wallet from the test transfer. So that's as simple as that. So now it's in the MetaMask wallet. I can use it for, say, DeFi or other protocols. This allows for so much development and use for the NWC token. You're going to continue to see it grow. So make sure to try it out once this is live, and it's as simple as that. It's quick, it's easy, and you can exchange your tokens at any time. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.